Hi there. Today is our last day as US residents, and as I was packing up everything for the cats, I thought it would be helpful to shoot a video on tips and tricks to make it more comfortable for them to travel as well as for you to travel with them. My first tip is to go to your vet and ask for a gabapentin prescription. This is a low dose anti-anxiety med for cats. It's very safe. Our vet suggested starting them on it 2 to 3 days in advance just to make sure the dosage is correct, see how they're going to react. We may have to bump it a little if they aren't very chill. So we're just keeping an eye on them. You will have to make arrangements for litter boxes. We shipped our knockoff litter robots, so we're not going to have them for possibly 6 to 8 weeks. In the meantime, I had a large litter box that we are planning to take with us, and I moved them over to compostable, made of recycled materials temporary cat boxes. This way, when it's time for us to leave our Airbnb tomorrow, we can just toss them in the trash. We don't have to worry about cleaning and sterilizing, and the cats aren't going without. For their interim time in Belize, I also bought a collapsible litter box. Easy to, lightweight, easy to travel with, should make it very simple for them to assimilate. I also have a travel litter box for the airport that came with a little scoop. We have 2 layovers, and as much as I don't want them stepping in a public bathroom floor, we want to give them the opportunity to use the restroom in a calm setting. So our thought is if they'll use it, great. If not, at least we have it. Make sure you're using the litter that they normally use in that travel litter box, just so it's what they're familiar with. I also have compostable pet waste bags, so if we need to scoop out their litter box, we have it. I can also use these as gloves. I suggest getting churro or temptations. These are curries, just little snacks for them. You don't want to give them a bunch of water or a bunch of food. These have high moisture content, so they will keep them hydrated without filling them up or making them have to use the restroom more than they hopefully have to. I would also suggest getting small carabiners if you have a soft-sided carrier. Our cats are flying in cabin with us. We have found that Shadow has figured out how to push through the top and open those double zippers. So we're just going to carabiner them shut. This way we know they're secure and they can't escape. Those are my best products for traveling with cats or moving cats long distance. I'll put Amazon links for all the products that I shared with you, so it's easy for you to grab them when you're ready to move with your cats.